Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to unbox this. So this is 73 Honda Civic Custom. So I personally like this casting and the paint job on this, so I just went ahead and bought it. So I bought it for 179, which is the MRP, and this looks really nice. Let's unbox and see how this one looks actually, because a lot of casting those looks really nice inside the box, and when you take it out you will see how much of a shittier casting they are. Okay, so here is the car, and the first impressions of this car are this looks really nice for a change. Yeah, so there is one little paint bubble here in my casting. I'm not sure if you guys can able to see it. Here it is, and apart from that I don't see any issues here. So the paint job here is a little bit here and there, but overall it is good. I don't see much of issue here. So it is a kind of a glittery green, you can say. And okay, so it has a rear view mirror on one side, which is the driver side. This is a right hand drive actually. There's good interior detail to it, and the rims are really nice. I personally like this particular rim. This feels like, I'm not sure, like a boomerang or Beyblade, something like that. So the saddest part is, for this beautiful casting they didn't do any justice on the front and rear. They just left it blank. So if they just added some headlight details and tail light details, they just painted it out a little bit, this would look more beautiful. This is what I really don't like. You are making a beautiful casting for, after a very long time without any mistakes or without any shitty paint job, and you just go ahead and mess it up with the headlights and tail light details. Okay, so the body is metal, the chassis is plastic, and this part here, the spoiler, that is plastic, that actually merges with the windshield here. So let's do a roll test real quick and see how this one looks. Okay, so one more thing, this part here, I think this is a fog lamp. So this is actually acrylic. This is not solid plastic. So this is acrylic. You can see the light reflects. The light just shines through it. Okay, so let's do a roll test real quick. Okay, it really roll doesn't well. Okay, so with a normal push, it is not even crossing the line that easily, and the wheel wobbles a lot, specifically the front wheel. As you can see, the car just jumps like this. It rolls a lot, and honestly, for if you are planning to play with this car, and if you are planning to use it on a track like this, it's not going to work out. Maybe mine is not going to work out, but I'm not sure whatever you are going to get, might be there's a chance it will roll really well. But at the end of the day, it is going to be the same casting, same things inside. Nothing's going to change. But on a collector's perspective, this is a really good casting. If you are asking me whether you can buy this or not, I would say go ahead and get it. This is really a cute, small, and beautiful casting, lacking some crucial details. I'm pretty sure some modders can work this out, like that. So that's it for today, guys. If you like my video, hit the thumbs up button, and if you love my video, subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.